It can be easy to miss information on your claim form, but missing information can cause delays in assessing your claim. If you submitted a claim form on or before January 13th, 2023 and have not heard back, you may be missing information. Please contact the administrator at 1-888-221-2898 to check the status of your claim. If you are missing information, you should get a letter from the administrator. That letter will tell you exactly what information you are missing, and sometimes that information is about the schools you attended. Not everyone immediately remembers the name or names of the school they attended. Schedule K at indiandayschools.com is there to help. Start by clicking on Schedule K in the quick links. You can now look for schools in different ways, by name or by province. When you find a school name that matches the one you're looking for, be sure to check the name, province, dates it was open and closed or transferred, the location, and even the religious affiliation to help you feel sure that this is the school you attended. Then go to the claim form that was included with your letter and copy all the relevant information. Fill out the information as you remember it. Be sure to include as much as you can from the name of the school to the reserve, location, or community, province or territory, and the dates you attended. If this is the only information you needed to add, you can sign and date your form. Then you can return the completed form to the administrator by mail, fax, or email. If you need legal support, you can call Class Counsel Gowling, WLG, at 1-844-539-3815, fax at 1-613-788-3629, or email at dayschools@gowlingwlg.com. And for any questions you have about your claim, you can call the administrator at 1-888-221-2898.